Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to insert images in Microsoft Word. Let's start! Step 1 is to open your Microsoft Word. If you don't have it already open, go ahead and launch it. Step 2 is to create a document or open an existing one where you want to insert the images. Now, let's insert the image. Go to the Insert tab on the top menu. You'll see a variety of options there. Click on Pictures. Now we have an options to choose. It's this device or online pictures, depending on where your image is located. If your image is on your computer, choose this device, and if it's online, click Online Pictures. If you choose this device, browse your computer to find the image file you want to insert. Once you find it, double-click on the picture, and it will be added to your document. Congratulations! The image is now inserted into your Microsoft Word document. You can resize and reposition the image by clicking and dragging the corners. To make further adjustments to the image, select the image and click on the Picture Format tab that appears on the top menu. Here you can apply various formatting options such as adjusting the brightness, contrast, and more. To remove or delete the image, simply select it and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. And that's it! You have successfully learned how to insert images in Microsoft Word. Now you can enhance your documents with pictures and graphics effortlessly. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Once again, thank you for watching how to insert images in Microsoft Word. I'll see you on my next video. Happy document designing!